It is the day after Christmas, and we are going to do kind of a day in the life type video today. We are going to be processing the 2 deer that we got, and then we have some errands to run. We're going to take the side by side, and we're going to end the day off with hunting. But first, coffee. And while we are getting ready, we're going to show you some muzzleloader hunting footage that Ed took the other day. And then he will be back out this afternoon with the muzzleloader as well. I will be in a spot with my crossbow. So, excited for the day. Just trying to wake up.
Hey guys. Haven't been hunting in a while. Busy with work. Had some snowstorms and some really cold temperatures too. Past 2 nights have been down into the single digits. Actually, last night was negative. It was -3 when I went to work. It's pretty cold for here in New Jersey. We're not used to that, but got some snow on the ground. It's muzzleloader season here still. Got a couple weeks left. On my way to one of our spots right after work. And I'm gonna try to sneak in close to this bedding area where I was a couple weeks ago. That was in one of our episodes. But yeah, snow's gonna be a little crunchy. That's the only thing that's not good. I'm not gonna be able to sneak that good. So, see when I get there. If I see something different, or if there's another person in that spot too. It says public land, so I might be able to go down the road a little bit farther. But yeah, I'm only a few minutes away. Get suited up, get the rest of my jacket on. Got my Tide heated vest. Only gonna be a short sit, probably about an hour. I'll find a tree to stand by. See if I can catch these deer coming out of their bedding. It's gonna be pretty cold tonight again, so they're gonna be on their feet to go feed because they got to. It's gonna be cold. Wind calmed down today, so it should be good. Snow is a little quieter, so I gotta sneak up this hill. It is so calm up here. Dead quiet. Sign, looks like from this morning. Gotta find a place to sit. It's tough because the wind is in a different direction than it normally is, so so I can see the bedding. I don't want to mess up here though too, that's the thing. Can't make up my mind as usual. Couple deer over there. Just bumped them. Can't go that way. Goes back towards the road and towards houses. Set up by that rock. Nice tree to sit by. We'll see what happens. About half an hour left. Hopefully some more deer move through. Okay guys, that's it. Backing up, hiking out. See you back at the truck. Back to the truck, left the GoPro in my bag, so I got a video from my phone real quick, but probably should be able to get out tomorrow again. Get out of work a little bit early because it's Christmas Eve, but got to be into work early too because we got a little more snow coming. Another 1 to 3 inches coming, so go home, get some rest, get ready for tomorrow, leave all my stuff in the truck, and get back after it tomorrow. Might go to a different spot where I can sit and see a little farther, and hopefully get a deer. And then it's Christmas, and we got a couple days off after that, so we'll be in the woods. Deers are moving. Love this time of year, especially with the snow on the ground. It's nice. Deer come to the feed, that's for sure, as long as you can be close to the bedding and water and all that too. That's one thing that really messed us up this year with the water, because we were in such a drought. Season's not over. Hopefully we can get a couple more. See you next time.
Okay, now that we are a little more ready for the day, Ed is downstairs getting some meat. I am going to clean out this container and we are gonna get processing.
This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country, and it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never cheated or been cheated on, then take off your boots, you rhinestone fraud. Well, give me cheating, drinking, and outlaw songs. Hard time, foolish pride, done me wrong. Flirting with the devil, getting right with the man. Ain't men paint songs, one night stands. You can keep your picket fence fantasies and put a cork in your high school memories. This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country, and it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never spent a single night in jail, then get another job and I'll see you in hell. I'm drawn like a moth through the neon lights. I need a bucket of beer and someone to fight. Don't call yourself country if your music is shitty or this Carolina boy.
You've been known to say that.
I've been known to say this is dog meat, and then people go, what do you mean? This is venison for the dogs. And this is all cubed up.
Yep.
Got some back straps.
Oh yeah.
Ed was noticing the color differences.
My young buck, Heather's older doe.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Rhyme out of my face. Wintertime, springtime, summertime, autumn. Show me to the jukebox, so yoke 'em if you got 'em all. Country like Johnny, country like Merle, country like Loretta, that honky tonk girl. Country like Towns, country like Travis.
Hey guys, this is it. Well, actually, there's 2 more hindquarters we got to do this weekend from my buck. So we're running out of time. We got to go hunting. We got back straps all packed up. Bunch of meat for the dogs. We'll cook that probably next week. And a bunch of 4-pound packs of meat to grind up to make some venison bratwurst for this weekend.
Don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you can't sing along to tear in my beer, then don't forget your coat and get the f out of here.
Big box or little box? Oh, nice.
Yeah, they asked about my heated vest and I told them.
Yeah.
And then she's like, put your YouTube channel on my phone.
Really?
Yeah, so I was typing it in.
That's
so
fun.
they're going to be watching us, I guess.
Cool.
Up at the front desk.
Cool.
All right, I'm at my spot and I got my freezer filler. This is actually one that I hadn't used yet. I know Ed uses it. I've always wanted to use it. I don't believe I ever have. So I'm going to put it out. I don't believe we're in the rut anymore. The bucks are acting differently. So I'm thinking this all season will do me good. Alright guys, I am up here and it is snowy. There is still snow on the ground because it's been so dang cold. Like we said in the beginning of the video, it is the day after Christmas and we've had a lot of does and a lot of bucks coming in the spots that we're sitting in. So we will, as usual, see what happens.
And with the muzzleloader, day after Christmas. Nice dead calm up here on the mountain. Got a couple decent bucks that were showing up the past few days. And some does. So, got 2 tags with the muzzleloader, 1 doe, 1 buck. So, gotta get the new camera arm set up with the big camera. Got about an hour left, an hour and 10 minutes. Hopefully, something comes in. But love it with the snow. I can see 200-300 yards. I can't shoot that far, but I can see them coming if they're coming. So, all right. Well, that was my fault. Never put a card back in the big camera. Got the new camera arm set up. Turned it on. No card. So, that's all we got is the GoPro with like half battery. So, hopefully they come in close. Should be able to see a little bit though with the snow on the ground. So, okay, let me get settled in. Stop making all this noise.
Well, we technically only have about 15, maybe 20 minutes left. It's a little brighter because of the snow, but as far as I can see, I've only got squirrels around me. You can see so far, so much further because of the snow, obviously. And I don't see anything in my general area that would be able to get here by, well, I guess it would only take about 5-10 minutes to work down that hill if they are moving. So still a possibility, but I guess we'll see. It'd be awesome to be able to see them all the way up on the hill and watch them come down, because I don't usually get to see them that far off. It's one of those planes we keep thinking are drones. No. Welcome to New Jersey, drone country.
Like right over top.
Yep, there's one right there.
Here it comes.
Here it goes.
Same spot.
Yep.
Over here. Probably get better.
Nope, I got it.
It's got a headlight on it too.
Yep.
And there comes another one. Way off over there. That's a place.
Yeah. I got all the lights and everything. Oh, that's a great video. Going behind a tree. Yeah, this is crazy.
It's silent.
I know. Oh my gosh, there's so many lights. Wait till you see this video.
Yeah, I can see it.
I know. Whoa. That's crazy.
Here comes another one.
Where?
What's that light? Way over there.
Oh, it's so cold out here.
Yeah, that much never.
Need my Tide reheated jacket. I'll wait till that one gets closer, but yeah, they are going.
It was almost.
And look at the north. Look at the sky. It's pink right now.
I know, but
So
it's like
cool.
the same pattern. Like they're going in this. That's a wrap. Packing up. Hiking out. It was a good day. Got a lot of stuff done. Got to hunt a little bit. Might be able to get out Saturday again, but we got some rain coming. So, hopefully not too much. Probably gonna be the last time we can muzzleloader hunt in the snow. Got rain coming next week. All the snow's gonna melt, but cold after that. See you on the next one.
Okay, well, that's it. Last light. The night is over. And so is this video. Thanks for watching.